This brand is made in China and can be purchased through their Amazon store. All of the units feature refrigerant leak detection as well as coated coils for corrosion resistance, but their guarantee on the units is only average when compared to other brands. The KIWQ series models are part of their DIY series and they are premium 20-SEER heat pumps with a 10.5 HSPF heating efficiency. They have a 3-speed fan as well as an auto swing function for better air circulation throughout the room. The units have a self-cleaning mode as well as turbo for quick heating and cooling, and a sleep mode. The units have an iFeel temperature sensing remote control and can provide heating even when the outdoor temperature is 5 degrees. Their healthy filter has 6 stages of air cleaning for enhanced air quality, and the units are available in either 115 volt or 208/230 volts for flexibility in installation. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.